We're Only Travel, and we know travel. Not just travel for travel's sake, but travel for business sake. And we need a bag that works. We want to avoid the hassle of checked bags, cramped overhead bins, and cumbersome luggage. And we know you do too. You need the Only bag. The only bag you need.
The Only bag delivers truly easy one-bag travel and handles anything your trip throws at you. With travel made easy, you can be ready for anything, even
Hey, what's going on?
I have to give a closing presentation in Boston tomorrow. Do you want to make a weekend out of it?
Sure, I'll get theater tickets.
You're good. You got the Only bag. Fast packing with the cube system and thoughtful compartments. Easy to roll, carry, or sling on your back. Being compact enough to fit under the seat or in the overhead compartment, and with the integrated hanging straps, shelf, and easy access pockets, the Only bag makes one bag travel effortless. Easily convert from a suitcase to DAYPACK in no time, and you're ready to tackle anything. Whether travel for business or just to travel, the Only bag makes it easy to do with just one bag. Only travel. One bag travel.